you can't be trusted. So I made sure we got our own coffee. I mean, I didn't make it, but the cups look good.
Yeah, I mean,
well, let's go.
It's a good hike as any, right?
It is not as good a hike as any.
You're right.
That is a lie.
I'm trying to be optimistic. No, it's gonna be 18 degrees tomorrow morning.
It's so cold.
Yep, just hoping the pipes don't freeze.
Yeah. I'm not really sure if any of our viewers remember, but we had this couch, the original brown one. This might also work. Washable cover. Has that click-clack type stuff.
Let me test it.
And it was very uncomfortable and was falling apart, and it would like poke us with the
Creak.
It would creak, and the foam was falling off. So when we got our replacement mattress, we hacked that into seating, new foam for this space. And it became very evident when Mom and Dad were visiting that...
Yeah, we just didn't have enough comfortable.
We didn't have any comfortable seating.
Yeah.
And it was a problem, especially when you're traveling with guests for...
About 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. How's nature?
Fake. Come on, let's go see what else there is. We decided we needed to do something about it, so we've been saving up. Wait, hold the phone for all your influencing needs, Andrew. Man, do I need a haircut.
I just need to fix something. Yeah, and I think this is a good choice. 74 inches drops right in. We were able to attach it to the existing frame. Yeah. Took a little modification, removed some hinges, but no big deal.
For the amount of work it took to be able to pick this up at Ikea.
Yep.
And in 24 hours have it bolted down. Hey, we got the same hair.
Mm-hmm. Washable. Yep.
Baby, you ready?
Wrestling?
Yeah, man. Pull it gently. And I think this is a win.
Yep.
For anybody who wants to get one. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that.
But
Soderhammond? There, I did
removable, washable covers. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the back and the bottom. What that'll give me is a frame with 2 crossbars and 2 ends that I can support the new couch on, if the dimensions are right. If the dimensions aren't right, we'll make some adjustments. My goal here is to remove this spring and remove these 2 pivots to remove the hinge assembly and just have a flat frame that I can set the couch base on and see where my height is. 1 pivot, 2 pivots, and then a spring. See where the height is. Well, we need to get the instructions out of there to understand a few things, but my belief is that these get rocked flat and screwed into place.
Okay.
We need to...
Well, let's mock it into place and see how it goes. Ready?
Yep.
Do you want...
Alright, this fits perfectly at 74 inches. We've got to put the back on next because it might push us forward just a little bit, but it actually ends exactly where the other couch did, and the height is perfect for our existing door, so that's good news. Door for storage underneath. So I'm pretty happy with how this is setting up. We just got to put the back on now and see where we're at. These are all started hand tight. The next step is to flip this up and put it against the back of the bottom. And these are all going to line up with the holes pre-drilled.
Yeah, I think it's significantly better looking. It's definitely more usable. I think that you and I could both fit here. I don't think we'd be any less comfortable.
This steel bracket comes with a kit but isn't used. I assume it's for putting the arms on, which are an optional accessory for this couch. So I believe what I can do is use the hole where the hinge mounted here, put a nut on that, and put a longer bolt through the wood frame of the couch right here. Bracket hangs down, but it shouldn't affect anything. This is just under the couch storage, and it's in line with the leg, so it's not even like it'll hit something if you slide something under the couch. I got everything tight. It's a little bit fun laying around under here because you can't actually like twist, turn, or roll over, but all the bolts are tight and it's secure. So this is the compartment door for storage underneath the couch. Has a latch on this side and then one opposite on the other side. What I can do is put that in there as if and that latches as if the door is closed. What I'm going to do is close the door up against it like that and mark it from the back side. So I'm going to close myself under the couch now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like a bunk bed in here.
Yeah, okay.
I've drilled 2 holes from the backside that I can now line that up on and screw it to the door, and it should be in the right place to latch when I close it. Yep, working perfectly.
All right, clearly I'm halfway through, not even halfway through painting. I'm gonna paint the couch white, the wood part of the couch white, and then that will really be light and bright in here.